Hello, I'm Anthony Haynes. I'm a Regional Sales Manager at Rothenberger UK, and today we are here to show you around the new Cordless R600 drain cleaning machine from Rothenberger. The machine is capable of clearing blockages up to 60 metres in length in pipe diameters between 20 and 150 millimetres. As standard, you can use a 16mm spiral or a 22mm spiral in diameter. Or, with the aid of an adapter, you can use an 8mm spiral or a 10mm spiral. If you're familiar with the original corded R600 machine, you will notice we've adapted some of the features and functions, like the lever on top and the clamping action within the machine. Okay, if I can show you how to use the R600 drain cleaning machine. First of all, you would need to put your CAS battery in the system at the front here. This comes standard with an 8 amp battery, but you can use any battery across the system. Then you would fit your guide hose at the back, and then you're ready to go. You would fit your spiral from the front. Now the spiral is in place, you need to find your blockage. You would switch the machine on and manually feed the spiral down the drain. When you hit the blockage, you have then 3 speeds to agitate and remove the blockage. When the blockage is removed, simply bring the spiral back into the machine and through the guide hose back out of the other side. The machine comes with a range of spiral heads suitable for any blockage. All you need to do is fix to the end like so. To remove or change the spiral head, the machine also comes with 2 separating keys, a 16mm one and a 22mm one. So this is a 16mm spiral, and we've got a 16mm key to remove, place in the hole, if you find your spiral isn't long enough to complete the job, you simply add another extension on. Okay, so if I can remove the guide hose and the spiral, I can show you a couple of other features on the machine. You have an on-off button on that side. You switch that on, and around the front you will notice these LED lights. The LED light will aid you in completing the job, but also when they start flashing, it means you need to change your battery. For more information on the R600 drain cleaning machine or any of our other products that use the CAS battery system, please visit rothenberger.com or check out Rothenberger UK on all the usual social outlets.